confidence.
Dean, tell him what to do.
Yeah, well, just hold down shift.
Yeah.
Right, go for it.
Is that it?
Pretty much.
Just hold down shift.
Well, that'll make you go up in the air.
Right. Okay.
It's doing it. Oh, fucking sweet. It's doing better than you, Remo. You flew one for fucking 5 years. Right, and then when you get near us, scroll your wheel and go to auto hover when you get near us. Oh dear. What happened?
You can't fucking crash into them now.
What, buildings?
No, I didn't crash into a building. It was like a power thing.
Oh, what?
You know, like GTA when you can fucking go through them.
Yeah, no.
Shit, I've had an accident, boys.